Friday Motivation Series, Pick Me Up for Women Over 40. Hi ladies, happy Friday. I want to remind you of something really powerful today. Something I wish more women heard once they hit 40 or 50. You're not behind and you're not late. You're just getting started. I know how easy it is to look back and think about what you should have done by now, the goals that may have slipped by, the body you used to have, the dreams that got buried under responsibility. But what if, instead of seeing this as the time you're slowing down, you saw it as your second rise? Because the truth is, 40 and 50 isn't a decline, it's a refinement. You've lived, you've learned, you've fallen, rebuilt, and carried things that no one even saw. And that experience, that wisdom, is your edge now. You don't need to prove yourself anymore. You get to express yourself. You don't need to chase every opportunity. You get to choose the ones that align. You don't need to be everything for everyone. You get to be whole for yourself. That's the real magic of this season. You've got depth now, strength that's quieter but sharper, clarity that only time can give. So let's reframe this chapter, not as starting over, but as starting wisely. Maybe you're rebuilding your fitness, maybe you're rediscovering your spark after years of putting yourself last. Maybe you're daring to dream again in a world that told you it was too late. It's not too late. It's right on time. Because now you're no longer driven by insecurity or proving your worth. You're driven by meaning, by energy, and by purpose. And that makes you unstoppable. So let this weekend be a reset, a quiet declaration to yourself. I'm still here, I'm still growing, and the best of me hasn't even shown up yet. Start small if you have to. Take that walk, recommit to your training, reconnect with a dream that you've been pushing aside. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to begin. Progress at this stage isn't about rushing, it's about rising with intention. The 20-year-old version of you had energy, sure, but you have something stronger. But you have something stronger now: endurance, vision, and the courage to keep going even when no one's cheering. That's real power. So today, I want you to walk into your weekend with your head held high, knowing that you're not behind schedule, you're right on track for the version of you that's unfolding. You're wiser, stronger, and more capable than ever before. The woman you're becoming is proud of you already because you didn't give up. You're still showing up. So take a breath, soften your shoulders, and smile. You're not done yet. You're not behind. You're not past your prime. You are becoming. And the best chapters of your story haven't even been written yet. This next season, it's yours to create. You're just getting started.